Thanks for clicking on the video, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you around my flint knapping kit. Let's get into it. Just taking a quick look into my flint knapping kit because it's growing a bit now. Got some really new cool stuff to show you guys. So in terms of hard percussion, heavy percussion, I've got these hammer stones. They're really hard, dense river cobbles. So I've got this egg-shaped big one. I've got this medium-sized egg one, and then a little one that doubles up as an abrader as well, so that I can really get some fine work going when it comes to hard hammer stones. Nice soft hammer, antler billet, another one, some pine pitch glue, some sinew. I like to do a lot with glass as well, so file, little multi-tool and a little glass cutter. Got my hand pad, the Old Faithful, a load more pressure flakers of varying different sizes, which is all antler and copper. Just helps me get that finer detail. So guys, you've got your heavy percussion hammer stones, some soft percussion with antler billets, and then your pressure flakers, pine pitch glue, some sinew.